My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the browser notifications that come from the website Operatecompletelyswifttheproduct.vip. In fact, these notifications are fake Chrome update alerts. They attack Google Chrome browser and other browsers that are based on the Chromium project. These pop-ups are fake Chrome browser update alerts. You shouldn't interact with them. You should not install anything that they promote. Typically, these pop-ups promote unwanted browser extensions for the Google Chrome browser. And if people mistakenly install these extensions, their Google Chrome browser may be hijacked. The settings of Google Chrome browser may be hijacked, such as the default homepage, default search engine, and other settings. If any third-party extensions were mistakenly added to the Chrome browser, this is what you should do. Access the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Now you need to carefully disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them here. So make sure you get rid of all such third-party extensions if they were added by mistake. Finally, I do recommend that you additionally research your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus to detect and delete all other threats fully from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.